No, it was women's
Yeah. I don't know. I've seen crows like. My dog likes. Yeah. Cats do it. Cats like.
Let's look at some art. What do you think this is, Gloria?
I can't really see much of it. Oh, are those pencils?
Yep, they are pencils, thousands of them. Pencils, pencil shavings. Kind of reminds me of, I don't know, having severe writer's block. Joining us now to tell us about the art is Femke Van Delft. Femke, what's with the pencils?
Well, that's a good question. What's with the pencils? I'd have to say that the pencil is probably an object that all of us have had some kind of experience with. So I decided to make it my medium. For the past two and a half years, I've been using the pencil as a way to talk about the ways in which text has dominated our current culture.
Now, does it have a title?
This one's untitled, actually, because I think that it seems to me to open up the meaning a bit more, and also because I'm hoping that people will think about it in context. So this is, in fact, a response to television. Like for 42 years, I've turned on my television and had a one-way dialogue with a TV speaking to me. And for the first time in my life, I actually get to create an object that responds.
Got it.
To that.
By the way, Gloria said nice tie.
I like that tie.
Yeah, isn't it a neat tie?
Yeah.
10,000 pencils. My strategy is to go between the letters.
This week there was a tie for the fan favorite. The first is this pencil exhibit by artist Femke Van Delft.
It's an amazing opportunity to get this kind of recognition. People come to it with their own meaning. School children talk about how it makes them think about school, right? Have a seat. We got 12 years here. We had a few ideas we're going to throw at you. So.
No, it was women's
Yeah. I don't know. I've seen crows like. My dog likes. Yeah. Cats do it. Cats good. Hello, Kane. How are you?
I'm excellent.
Have I given you a pencil?
Yes, you did.
I did. Okay.
This
That's
afternoon.
important. It's important that you get a pencil.
I'm glad to know that.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Secret desire for my child to be great.
There. You know? You look up.
Who would have thought to do that?
This crazy woman would.
But you know, mean and gentle. Big trouble. Love. Love. It's huge. And traveling. Big events. Big events. Big events. Traveling. Love.
More.
Yeah.
I need more. Like totally, this is like events.
Oh yeah. Big event campaign.
Okay, so here's the statement. Next time you see a really good ad.
Right.
Okay, I love. Say, repeat after me.
I love
Manly babies.
manly babies.
Yes.
Okay.
There you go.
I love manly babies.
Manly babies.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah.
But that flies in the face.
in the face of conventional advertising.
Well, I'm sure if an advertiser hears it, they'll use it. They are subverting everything, so don't say it too loud.
Don't say it in front of an advertiser.
Do not say it in front of an ad man, because it will become an ad. I Love Manly Babies will be an ad, okay?
Fair enough.
But, all right.
All through here.
Yeah, language, look, huge. Take a look. Biggest area on you. Largest, like you're narrow here and then you broaden out at language. So,
Right on.
all right.
We brought our fourth musketeer back.
Good. We'll have to do you.
Thanks a lot.
Give me your purse, Al.
Lady Dale?
That was fun. Okay. So automatically, the widest point in you is right over here, secret, which is announcement. You're a very private person, quite private, and you know, it also is about prudence, policy management, policy management. I would say that you know if that you can be incredibly trusted, very, very trusted. Okay, so back here. Most, you know what?
Down?
No. It's really interesting on you. Okay, so there's two areas that are really, really important to you. Number one is friendship. Like you square off a friendship, right? And it goes into right into amativeness. So it moves right down through conjugality into amativeness. This whole area squares off right here. So all of those really, really key, important relationships in your life, your friends, your lovers, and it all moves between all of it. And that is what you will spend time, energy, and money on. She gave me a card and she said, free reading. You are very accurate. She was very funny. I said to her, okay, I said, I'm going to say a really risky thing to you here. You should just be a vicarious shopper, okay? You should just find a job where you buy with someone else's money. And she went, you're right. I should. She said, you know what I do instead? I buy it and I return the item the next day. She went, you are so right. So then she gave me a card. She said,
Everything that you touch, even like I just go shopping for